So, you want to build an app, but here's the twist. You don't want to write a single line of code. Sounds like a scam, right? But no-code development isn't just real, it's exploding. Entire startups, SaaS tools, marketplaces, and even mobile games have been built by people who've never touched an IDE. Which brings me to today's sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends.
Got him!
No, but for real. Please like this video and subscribe to become a fellow codehead. Alright, back to the video. The barrier to building software is lower than it's ever been. And that's not a future trend. That's right now. Let's break it down. First, what does it even mean to build an app without code? No, we're not talking about drag and drop websites. We're talking real, functional apps with user authentication, databases, logic, integrations, the whole deal. The secret sauce is platforms like Bubble, Glide, Adalo, and Webflow. These tools abstract away the code but still let you control the logic and data like a traditional developer would. Think of it as building with Lego blocks instead of pouring concrete. You don't need to reinvent the wheel, you just need to know how to assemble the parts. Say you want to build a job board, you don't need to hire a team of developers anymore. With something like Webflow for the front end and Airtable or Xano as your backend, you can have a live app in a weekend. You define your data models visually, set up workflows with if this then that logic, and hit publish. Done. The tools handle the complexity, but you're still thinking like a developer. You're solving problems, structuring databases, designing flows. You're just not writing the boilerplate code yourself. Now here's where people usually get it wrong. They assume no code means no learning curve. That's not true. You still need to learn how to think like a developer.
Think, Mark!
Just without the syntax. You need to understand how data flows through an app. You need to understand conditional logic, state management, performance trade-offs, and how to debug things when they break. So yes, you can build apps faster, but the thinking is still technical. Also, no-code doesn't mean no customization. Many no-code tools let you add custom scripts, connect to APIs, and extend functionality when you hit the limits. That means once you outgrow the basic templates, you can level up without switching platforms. You're not locked in unless you choose to be. And guess what? A lot of startups don't ever need to move. They scale just fine on no-code infrastructure. Some tools even bridge the gap between no-code and low-code, like Flutterflow or Retool. These are great if you want to start visually but still have the option to drop into code later when you need more control. It's not all or nothing anymore. There's a whole spectrum. Now, can you ship the next Facebook with no code? Realistically, no. But should you build your MVP, test your idea, or even run a full-time business without ever learning React? Absolutely yes. In fact, companies like Comet and MakerPad did exactly that. They validated products, got paying users, raised money, all before hiring a single engineer. So yeah, you can make an app without writing code. But it's still work. You're still solving problems, designing user experiences, and learning a new skill set. Just one that doesn't involve curly braces and semicolons. Oh, and if you are looking for a place to host your next app, that's where Whop comes in.
Ooh, let me have some of that Cool Whip. What'd you say?
Whop is a community platform where creators sell your app for you. You list your app on the Whop app stores. Creators install it into their Whop and promote it directly to their audience. One big creator can mean thousands of paying users instantly. Whop handles payments, authorization, and distribution all in one place. You build the product, creators bring the audience. Check it out at whop.com/developers. Thank you for sitting through yet another tech rant, and if you enjoyed it, leave a like and subscribe to become a fellow codehead.